I'd like to talk about Chichen Itza and why I think everyone should visit it. In my opinion, it's very important to visit Chichen Itza because historic place, the roots of our culture and of course, one of the seven wonders of the world. I have never seen some the way visiting the amazing pyramids. Chichen Itza was one of the largest Maya cities and it was likely to have been one of the mythical great cities, or Toalans, referred to in later Mesoamerican literature. The city might have had the most diverse populations in the Maya world, a factor that could have contributed to the variety of architectural styles and the city. In 2007, Chichen Itza is El Castillo was named one of the new seven wonders of the world after an worldwide vote. Chichen Itza is one of the most visited archaeology cities in Mexico with over 2.6 million tourists in 2017. It's important to visit because Chichen Itza is the second most visited of Mexico archaeology cities. The archaeology city draws many visitors from the popular tourist resort of Cancun, who make a day trip or tour bus. One of the main things to consider is that the cities does have a roof, so it's very hot. You should bring water, a hat, and sunscreen. It does cost. Mexican have a discount and on Sunday is free. However, tourists from other parts of the world have to pay their ticket. To summarize, we all should visit one of the most important historic cities of Mexico because we learn about our history and its issues of culture. Who life was with our ancestors. Also, it helps the Mexican economy. Let me let me know if you ever go visit. Take some picture, buy something to remember that you went, and don't forget your water.